already saw that there are a few reviews of this product already on YouTube, and it's just been a week, less than a week since it's launched. So that's why I didn't want my review to be like that. I wanted to actually try the product before I give you my honest and genuine review on whether I think this product is going to reduce dark spots and pigmentation. So what we will do is that we will take a test. I'm going to try this every day, day and night, so 2 times a day for 14 days, which is 2 weeks, and then come back and give you guys an update on what I think this product is and whether you should invest in this. Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Nishma from the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a new launch product for you guys, which is a vitamin C by Plum. It launched just last week, and even before it launched, I knew that I wanted to get my hands on it and try it out and review it for you guys. I used a lot of their green tea range, and this is a Renewed Clarity Night Gel. I keep on repurchasing this. That's how much I love this brand and their products. So of course I had to get my hands on the vitamin C. Now let's quickly go and unbox it and then come back and bring you guys close, and I'm going to try it on my skin. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's fragrance free, retails for 550 rupees. All the important information is mentioned on the packaging, and Plum is a vegan brand, so they have given all of that information right there for you guys to check it out. Now let's go and open this baby. As you saw, I have unboxed the product. I received it in 2 days after placing the order from the Plum website, and I got a 15% off. The MRP of this product is 550 rupees, but I got it around 450 rupees. And this is a vitamin C serum. It is 15%. I'll just show it to you guys. That's how it looks like. It's saying 200 ml and it's fragrance free, which is great because skincare needs to be fragrance free as much as possible, because sometimes fragrance can irritate your skin. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I'm going to leave all the ingredients of this vitamin C in the description, like what is mentioned on the packaging. And as you know, Plum is having no phthalates, no parabens, none of those ingredients. It is also PETA certified, it's vegan, and all of these things are also mentioned on their packaging as always. Actually recently there was World Environment Day, and I mentioned a few skincare brands which I love, which are vegan and vegetarian, and Plum is one of them, so I definitely love the brand itself. Now let's go to how to use it. It says take a few drops, pat the serum on the face, and it is best used after cleansing and before moisturizing, and it's saying to use day and night. So that is what it says. Now let's talk a little bit about this vitamin C. So it says that it's radiant plum skin, and vitamin C is great for dark spots and pigmentation, which is one of the problems that I suffer for, because I had acne like 3 years ago, and I still have like dark spots and pigmentation on my skin. And the vitamin C in this is 15%, and it's having natural antioxidants from Japanese mandarin and Kakudu plum. So those are the ingredients in this, the main key active ingredients. When I received this product, I also received this, and what this says is that 83% users saw enhanced skin glow in just 2 weeks of using this. 32% of the people who use this saw reduction in dark spots in 2 weeks. So this is based on a study which Plum conducted on 41 subjects with varying skin types. One of the great things which I already feel about this product, because I know Plum as a brand, is that it has launched a vitamin C at 550 rupees, which is a great price point in the Indian market, because a lot of vitamin C available right now are super expensive, ranging anywhere from 1500 if you talk about the Klairs vitamin C serum. And I'm going to apply this right now. My skin is bare, there's just lipstick and mascara on it, there's nothing on my face. I have washed my face, so I'm going to apply this. And to make this as clear, transparent, and give you guys all the variables during this experiment which I'm going to take, I'm also going to show you what are some of the other products that I'm using currently, so that you know if there is any difference, it is with this with all the other products that I'm using, so you guys have a clear idea. So let's come close to my face and look at the spots now and take it all in, and then start using this product. And as you can see, this is my skin, this is how it looks like. I have all these acne spots and marks. I don't have active acne right now, but it goes all the way down to my neck, and this is how my bare face looks like in sunlight. And I have a few new pimples over here, but we are going to ignore that. And yeah, so I have pigmentation on my face and these are the spots. So I'm going to now apply my skincare, and I'm going to show you what exactly I'm going to be applying for the next 14 days when I try this product. So let's first talk quickly through this. Take it out of its packaging. This is how it looks like, and I'm opening for the first time with you guys right here on camera. Okay, this is cute. So I think it comes in a glass bottle, and with vitamin C, you guys know, like when storing, yes, I was correct. This is like not a transparent bottle, so it's opaque so that sunlight doesn't go in, and you should keep it away from sunlight. It's saying store in a cool place away from direct sunlight. So if you guys don't know, I am a pharmacy student and I've done my bachelor's and master's in pharmacy, and that's why I'm always excited about skincare. So I'm going to take this on my hand, a full pump, and now let's apply it. I haven't been using vitamin C. I was using it almost a year ago, but after that I have not used, so my skin might react to it initially or break out, but we'll have to see. So it does not have any fragrance, and I'm going to pat the serum into my face. Okay, so that is done. So we have used the serum. Now screen which I'm using currently, you guys might have seen a video. I'm going to link it over here. This is also a new launch. This is the Dr. Sheth Oat and Zinc Mineral Sunscreen. So this sunscreen is one which I bought in March and it's still going on, and I've reviewed this for you guys. So you can go and check this sunscreen out. I'm shooting this video, it's currently 15th of June. So I'm going to wrap this video up by 30th, which is the perfect time to test this plum serum for 14 days, just as they claim, and try it out for myself with my own experiment and share my honest, non-sponsored and genuine review about this vitamin C serum by Plum in the Indian market. So it's going to be a little while before I actually am able to show this review to you guys, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it because it's going to be genuine and coming from a place of experimentation. So I hope you guys enjoy that. So I'm back after 15 days. I have been using the Plum serum, and now I'm going to give you my review, which is what you guys were waiting for. So let's talk about how it felt. It was really light on my skin, no fragrance as I've mentioned before, and I did really enjoy using it. I'm going to put a picture of myself over here from today, because right now I am wearing a little bit of compact powder because I'm shooting for another video as well. So I put a no makeup face over here to show you guys how my face looks like. But from what I can feel, my face has become like more brighter, and I can feel the glow from inside. In terms of pigmentation spots reduction, I think it's still going to take a little more time because it's just been 15 days and that usually takes longer. But in terms of brightness and glowy skin, yes, definitely a thumbs up from me. And this product has 15% ethyl ascorbic acid, as I had mentioned previously. So that is great, and it has Kakadu plum, which is having one of the highest vitamin C concentrations in a plant form. So that is again great. The price point is great, and this would last you around 1.5 to 2 months if you use it on a daily basis. And please make sure to use sunscreen if you're using any type of vitamin C, or even then you should be using sunscreen. So do that. I'm going to give this product a thumbs up. So from 1st to 4th of July, Plum is going to have its birthday celebrations, and this is not a collaboration or anything, as you guys know. I just found that out recently. So they're going to have their birthday week celebration, and they're going to have amazing discounts on their website. If you want to purchase this product, I'm going to link it in the description. Obviously this is not a commission or affiliate link, it's just to quickly help you guys out. So I'll link this in the description if you want to purchase it. Other than that, let me know how you guys like this video, and if you want me to do more such videos reviewing skincare for you guys, because as you know, that is something that I really enjoy to do. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll be joining you guys, and you'll be part of the Millennial Lifestyle Fix family. And make sure to share this video with your skincare enthusiast friends who would be looking for a vitamin C in the market. Until next video, this is bye bye from me, Nishma, from the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. Bye bye and take care.